irú àwọn ilé 4,000 per kilo.
4,000 per kilo.
Irú ilé yìí sí 200.
Ìgbé tó bá ti pa.
Mo ti ta ilé yìí sí 250,000 mo ta fẹ́.
Kí mo sọ fún yín nísìn. Èló lẹ pé.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl here. And in today's episode, or in today's video, I am going to be taking you on a tour of my uncle's pig farm. So I took a trip back home. I and my parents, we traveled back home to our town, and fortunately for me, my uncle rears pig. So I said, okay, let me just make a video about pig farm or pig farming, what it takes to, what it takes to manage pig farm. Before we go into the real tour of the pig farm, I want you to take note of one or two things that could, help you as a pig farmer, or as someone who wants to go into pig farming, pig rearing, piggery in general. So I want you to, be wise enough, get one or two information, and also utilize it for your good. So before going into this video, or before showing you the actual video, I want you to also know that pig farm it costs money, meaning you need money to start up the farm, to run the farm, to manage the farm, even to feed your pigs. You need money. So I am going to be referencing my uncle. So I asked him a question that how much did he spend in general starting up this pig farm. He said he spent above 2 million, which is a lot. But as a small farmer, as a small scale farmer, you can legit, like for real, you can start to just the amount of money you have, the little amount of money you have. It could be 500,000, but I think it is advisable that you start with above 500,000, because number one, you need to secure a land, the housing, like your pig house, also feeding, also knowledge. There is something I also want you to take note, is that which is knowledge. You need to be knowledgeable about what you are going into. According to my uncle, he said that he leveraged on free journals, free books online, and also he also joined online groups, online community, where they talk about pig farming, piggery. I don't want to talk too much. The way he also cut costs is by also formulating his own feed. I know you might be like, oh, it might be stressful and all, but I did not really ask him in details the ingredients, the things he used to formulate his pig feed. I did not ask him. Just that I just asked him that what does he give them feed, what type of feed, and he said sometimes he buy them from the market, and sometimes he would just formulate their feed just to cut costs. I mean, so as Nigerian, or as Nigerians, pluralizing it now, I don't want to conclude for you, but personally to me, I think agriculture is the way forward for Nigerians and also for Africans. I would leave you to decide on your own. I would leave you to decide. I mean, it's just information, so you can do with it whatever you want, but a word is enough for the wise. So to anyone that wants to go into pig farming, piggery, pig farm, pig rearing, and I'm pretty sure this is the video you would love to watch. Let's not talk too much, and let's get right into the actual video. I perceive something. Where? But she want to volume. No. It's so beautiful. Jesus, no, I'm scared. Guys, this. I'm scared. Hey, wow. Yes, Daddy. Yeah. Wow, this is their gate. Those are baby pig. Wow. You to lie down.
I don't know. No question.
Okay.
Yes,
Daddy.
Yeah.
Wow, it's so big. Wow. Kí ni wọ́n jẹ? Yes. So ibẹ̀ ni wọ́n ti máa ń wẹ̀.
YouTube ara bá ti gbóná YouTube á fi kún tó yà.
Yes sir. But níbo ni wọ́n ti máa ń bọ oúnjẹ fún wọn. Wow, these are. Mi tẹ̀lé súnmọ́ ilé ìdáde ilé ló tóbi jù. Wow. Wow.
Tó ti yà.
Wọ́n dẹ̀ ń gbéra wọn. Wọ́n ń gbé bọ́ọ̀dì wọn.
Àbí?
Yes, daddy.
Ẹ̀yà máa mú bọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ máa mú bọ̀ bó ṣe mú bọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀.
Okay, sir.
Mo bọ̀ yìí.
Wow. This is capital intensive. Daddy, like this thing is money. Ha.
Tó ti rí.
But mi tí rí bí tí wọ́n ti ń bu oúnjẹ wọn wípé bí tí wọ́n ti ń jẹ.
Oúnjẹ ló wà nílẹ̀ gbogbo kíní wíní lẹ̀ yẹn. Wíní tó ń rí lẹ̀ sórí òun ló ń jẹ yẹn. Ibi tí ilé ẹ̀dẹ́ nì. Ó ti fi ṣe bí fẹ́ǹsì.
Oh, this is good.
Ẹ̀yà ṣe wá wo.
Sir. I'm following my mommy and my daddy. Oh yeah, mommy, be going now. Okay, I'm following daddy. Ṣé igi ele, mommy? What? I'm scared.
Bébè dúró tì ẹ́.
I'm scared, daddy. I'm scared.
Wọ́n wá bí ọwá fún wọn lóúnjẹ ni.
I'm scared.
Wàá dúró sẹ́gbẹ́ ọ̀dọ̀ mi ń bí.
Jesus.
Wọ́n wá pé wá fún wọn lóúnjẹ. Ó fẹ́ dùn. Ibi tó yẹ kó take nìyẹn.
I know, I cannot take it.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Okay, daddy. Thank you, sir.
Ó ti ṣe adventure ẹ̀ tán báyìí.
Yes, sir. Ó tóbi.
Ó ti tóbi. Olóyè máa tóbi. I have bigger one. This is kìíní náà máa ń pè wọ́n tí ẹ̀.
ní làkàṣà ń pè ní 4,000.
4,000.
4,000.
Irú àwọn eléyìí 4,000 per kilo.
4,000 per kilo.
Irú eléyìí sí
Ipe tó bá ti
mo
pa.
ti ta eléyìí sí 250,000 mo ta fẹ́.
Kí mo sọ fún yín nísìn. Èló lẹ pé?
250.
Wọ́n gba yín.
Ẹni yẹn gan sáré sanwó ní òkè tọ̀hún yẹn. 250,000 mo ta.
And crossbreed wá tún nìyẹn.
Wọ́n fi sọ́dọ̀ mi
Family
gan
land
ni.
white ni. Ṣé pé family land
Large white land race ni eléyìí tí ẹ̀ nìyẹn máa ń pè wọ́n.
Ẹ̀yin ò gbọ́ nǹkan táwa ń sọ nípa ẹran. Etí ìlàwà máa ń sọ.
Tẹ̀bá wo bí nsìn dé àti ẹ̀ mo fẹ́ fi large white kan pure large white hàn yín.
Ebike. I can't.
Pure large white.
Yeah.
Wọ́n bá fẹ́ tí ẹ̀ jù sá pariwo pọ̀.
Wá ṣeré 60,000 mọ́.
ọ̀rọ̀ ńlá yẹn mọ́lẹ̀ o tó bá dì mú tó bá fẹ́ gbà rẹ̀ tí ó bá fẹ́ gbà rẹ̀.
Ó tóbi o.
Pure àwọn eléyìí local kì í ṣe local pàṣẹ o but they are local breed wọ́n ti wà mix up bọ̀ṣẹ́ ti róòmù yẹn ọ̀rọ̀ ń pè ní ẹ ti pé ó ti yàtọ̀ sáwọn ilé large white pure ni.
Òfin ẹ̀ abẹ́rẹ́ structure ọmọ oúnjẹ lè fi yàtàrí yọ ẹ̀fọn.
Ewo.
Àwọn ẹ̀fọn akọ
Daddy.
yìí owó oúnjẹ ni o.
Ok, wọ́n ti tún tóbi ju gbàtẹ́ wáyẹn lọ.
Àwọn ti tún tóbi jù àwọn ẹ̀jẹ̀ ẹ̀gbọ́n nǹkan tí mò ń sọ ni. Wọ́n ti tún tóbi jù àwọn tí mo sọ fún.
À ń lọ sí.
Owó ìkẹ́lẹ́ bí ọdún lọ.
Búrọ̀ṣì yẹn máa gé.
Amazing. But sir, ìgbà tí ẹ rà ní kékeré tẹ́ ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ rí ẹ̀wọ̀n.
Like this, and now raise it to this.
Kì í ṣe winner ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì o.
Winners.
Bought it like this.
Okay.
This one now by September, not September even, by May.
Yes.
April, May, it will be like this.
Wow. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below. I would love to hear from you. And if you're someone that you are into pig farming, piggery, and all, you have started, and there is an advice you want to give to upcoming pig farmers, why not? Please leave it in the comments down below. God bless you. Bye.